Beautiful. Just yung princess queen namin, Queen Princess de Guzman Lopez. Oh my God, saan yung mga B? B. Hayaan mo, B. Hayaan mo.
Oh, dari laruan. Laro ko yan.
Laruan where? Like princess, baby.
You can to the play.
You can to play? And then, oh, you're so beautiful, your dress, baby.
Yeah.
Mommy, you will be buy your dress. Beautiful. How much the your dress, baby? How much? How much? How much this? No, how much the your dress?
No.
1,000 plus yan. Be, 1,000 plus yan. Nakita ko kasi yan, order niya yan. Yan ang in-order niya. Yan ang in-order niya, yung sa ano yan.
Ito yata yung ilan kanina.
Ayun nga, yun. Kaya nang hinihingi niya eh.
Ito lang
Pag ano hingin niya talagang ibigay kat na saan katanong kamahal. The Princess Lopez Princess kasi yan eh. Be, tawagan mo yun.
Ikot-ikot siya. Hinahanap ng mama niya.
Wala dito.
Katingin siya sa ano? Kasada, hinahanap ng mama niya.
Na isa. Eh, tignan mo lang daw dyan. Kasi hanapin.
Hindi naman lalayo yan.
Princess.
Ganda no?
Pag gusto niya, pag order siya, pag anong niya, bibilihin talaga kat magkano. Sobrang pagmamahal. Nagalaro siya. Come.
Manapot sa right ko.
Wow, princess talaga. Princess Lopez. Bam Lopez. Princess and Hera. What's that? No. Ala, baby, bahala ka dyan, oh. Hoy. Oh, tapos kinutulak niya, tingnan. Diba eating, baby? Ha? Oh, nakakain na daw siya. Can you eating, baby? You want to eat?
No,
Why?
I don't like.
Why? You want to eat, baby?
No.
Look. You want to eat?
No,
Why?
I don't like.
You don't like. Are you hungry?
No.
You don't hungry. Hindi sa gutom. Ayaw niya daw kumain.
Where's my battery?
Battery, I don't know. Ikinachi, baby.